Microsoft has just released another Windows 11 Insider Preview build, and this update brings several new features, visual improvements, and important fixes that give us a better idea of what to expect from Windows 11 26H2. While some changes are easy to notice, others are subtle improvements that make Windows feel smoother and more polished. Today, we're taking a look at Windows 11 Insider Preview build for the experimental channel. Let's see everything that's new. Let's start with the lock screen. Microsoft has updated the focus rectangles that appear around password fields and other interactive elements. They now feature rounded corners, matching Windows 11's modern design language and giving the lock screen a cleaner appearance. Moving on to quick settings, Microsoft has added a new screen tint toggle under the accessibility section. This allows users to quickly enable or disable the feature directly from quick settings without opening the settings app. Another visual improvement is the addition of new opening animations for apps such as File Explorer and Settings. These smoother transitions make Windows feel more responsive and polished. The taskbar also receives some attention in this build. Microsoft has refined the thumbnail animations that appear when you hover over open applications. The opening, closing, and transition effects now look smoother and more modern. These animations also work consistently even if your taskbar is positioned differently. Although there is still room for improvement, it's another step toward making Windows 11 feel more fluid. One of the biggest additions in this release is the new Cloud Rebuild Recovery feature. Unlike Reset This PC, this new recovery option downloads a fresh Windows image along with the necessary device drivers directly from Windows Update. This means users can restore their PC even if Windows fails to boot, without requiring a USB installation drive or a custom recovery image. Microsoft has also made improvements to the backup and restore experience. Starting with Windows 11 26H2, the Windows Settings Backup and Restore policy will be enabled by default on eligible Microsoft Entra-joined and Microsoft Entra Hybrid-joined devices. Enterprise administrators will still have full control over these settings, ensuring existing policies and configurations continue to work as expected. Another noticeable change is the redesigned account control flyout. It now features a cleaner interface along with a subscription badge, allowing users to quickly see their Microsoft account status, available benefits, and subscription information without opening additional settings pages. Microsoft has also slightly updated the Windows search box. The search field is now a few pixels taller, creating a more balanced appearance that better matches the overall Windows 11 interface. Accessibility also receives several improvements. The Bluetooth Quick Settings page can now be fully navigated using a gamepad, making Bluetooth controls more accessible for users who rely on controller input. Microsoft has also improved how the new Run dialog announces keyboard focus for screen readers, making it easier to use for visually impaired users. Another improvement enhances Mongolian font rendering, resulting in more accurate text shaping and better readability. Finally, this build includes several bug fixes. Overall, Windows 11 Insider Preview build may not introduce major headline features, but it delivers plenty of useful refinements, smoother animations, accessibility improvements, and important bug fixes that continue shaping the future of Windows 11 26H2. That's everything included in this latest build. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to TechGetter Official, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Windows 11 updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.